So in this film, we're going to have a look at the XFT AED trainer. Now this unit's quite a basic unit, but it's got lots and lots of features. Now it doesn't mimic the brand of an actual AED. Now some may say that's a bad thing, but actually it means that you're training the basic skills. So you're not looking at just one AED, you're just looking at the skills, because every AED is pretty much the same in the fact that it's got a shock button and how you put the pads on and things like this and how it analyses and talks to you. So this is what this unit does. The main unit here itself, it's a rechargeable unit, so you don't need to worry about putting batteries inside it. The charge unit's just right on the top there. It comes with the mains charger and the UK adapter. Comes with full instructions on how to use the unit and also simple instructions on the front, similar to what a normal AED would come with. Has a remote control, and on the remote control you can control various numbers of settings. So as an instructor you can then remotely just tell the unit what you want the students to actually do. Also comes with some pads. So with this unit here, you've got 2 infant pads or child pads and also 3 sets of adult pads. Now these pads are the type that you can reuse. If they start losing their stick, just get some warm soapy water and just wash the back of them and you'll reinvigorate the grip. And eventually they will go and you need to buy some more of them, but they will last a long time and they'll fit onto any brand of mannequin. Doesn't matter what mannequin you have, this one fits with it. You've also got the lead set here, an adult lead set and a child lead set, so you can set the unit up for whatever you're needing. So it's a very simple, easy unit to use. We've done quite a lot of these units, and because they're slightly lower price, it does mean that you can get more of these for the price of an actual branded type AED trainer. So no matter what type a company has, this is the one to go with. So if you are teaching at a company and they've got one particular brand of AED unit, yes, you can run the course with this, but get their one off the wall and just show them, turn it on and show them that pretty much the skills are the same. You know, we still put the AED unit on, we still listen to voice prompts, we still go through the analysing and the shock and the CPR and things like that. So the actual unit is ideal for many, many applications, but then just apply it to your customer's actual unit they have in the business or at the home or wherever they've got an AED unit. And this unit is based as a semi-automatic one. So if you do need something that is fully automatic, you need something separate to that. But a trainer like this is the same as all the others. You have to have either a semi-automatic or an automatic trainer. For more information, please contact us.